Visualizing categorical data. We are given the results of a barbecue preference survey about the types of food people want to grill. Type of food is our categorical variable. Notice that it is represented by these categories: beef, chicken, hot dogs, vegetables, etc. And the percentages are associated with each category. But our variable is type of food. And we have one variable, and we would like to create a Pareto chart. Pareto charts illustrate the 80-20 principle, which is 20% of something is responsible for 80% of the results. That's a common way to think about it in the business world. Another way to think about it is the separation of the vital few from the trivial many. So, we're not interested in all the foods that people want to put on the grill. We're interested in the top few because maybe we're a grocery store and we want to know what to keep in stock at that time. And, we can't keep in stock everything, so we want to keep in stock what would be the best sellers during the grilling season. Okay, so first thing, before you construct your Pareto chart, your data needs to be sorted because a key characteristic of Pareto charts is that the categories are arranged in descending order from highest to lowest. So categories with the highest percentages are listed first on the left and it descends down. So that allows you to visualize, like in this case, what would be the top preferences for the type of food. So first thing we must do is sort our data. Second thing we must do is calculate our percentage. Third thing we must do is calculate our cumulative percentage. In the case of this problem, we are given a percentage here that was already calculated for us. Had we been given counts or tallies, we would have needed to convert those to percentages. So recall, you need sorted data, percentages, and cumulative percentages to construct your Pareto chart. So we need to sort our data. So let's go back to our home area here, home tab. And okay, so let's highlight our data. And then all the way here is our sort and filter. Okay, so let's do a custom sort. What we want to do is sort by the percentages. So sort by, and then it's column, okay, it's column sort by, and then we're going to say percentage. That's what we want to sort by. We're not the categories, but the percentage. We're sorting by the values. And we are sorting, because it's a Pareto chart, we want largest to smallest, descending order. Okay? And there, our data was sorted. Okay, we still need to calculate cumulative percentages. But look, with our sorting of the data, we can already see what our top three are based on the percentages. We can see that beef, chicken, and seafood were the most popular, and really beef and chicken were quite popular. So already just sorting the data helps. And notice we did not do that when we created a bar chart or a pie chart. So this is a difference between the Pareto chart and those other charts, and it makes it very useful. Okay, cumulative percentage. And you can drag this over to make it fit. Okay, and bold it. And I was actually using Arial, which is here. Let's put that there. Okay. Oh, our line here. Okay. All right. So calculating your cumulative percentage is quite simple. So it's just like a running total. So equals B3 at first, because it's always your first percentage there is your default, so there we are. And then equals C3, so we're taking that and adding to it this B4 plus B4. Okay. So already we can see that just between the beef and the chicken, that makes up 61% of the responses. Now, so we have this formula of basically adding this and going through until we have all of them. An easy thing we can do is just copy the formula. So you can either drag it down like that, and that has auto-calculated. See, the formulas have carried over our B values, because we were here and we had C3 plus B4. And then this automatically shifted us from C4 to B5. And that's the beauty of being able to copy formulas in Excel. Another way to have done this was to have clicked here and then clicked the copy button here. And let's just do it, I guess. And then we would have highlighted all of this and then clicked our paste special and selected this formula button. And that indicates just copy the formula, not the values. Another common button you will use is just copy the values and not the formula.